Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. So I'm back to my normal cooking. Today we're going to have one of the oldest Persian street food. It calls Jaghoor Baghoor, which is a very weird name, but that's what it is. It's actually a lamb organ, and it's very simple dish. It's a one-pan dish and there's not too many ingredients. But it seems originated from one of the city very close to capital. His name is Zanjan, but they make it all over Iran, and they have a little bit different ingredients they add to that. Some places they have with the potato, some places with the bell pepper, some places with the tomato paste. My version is a little bit different, only one ingredient, and that's raisin. The reason that I have it because it's a family recipe. My mother made that and we love that. I'm gonna do the same thing and the result's gonna be wonderful. Let's go over the ingredients and start making it. All right, I have a lamb organ. So I have what we have here is a lamb liver. It's about half a kilogram, or to be exact is a 1.10 pounds of lamb, and one lamb heart, two lamb kidney. We need 4 tomato, 2 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 serrano pepper, but it's optional. You don't have it. It makes it a little bit hot. I have half a cup raisin. We have here 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 spoon red pepper or chili pepper, about half a teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt. Salt has to be adjusted to your taste, so you don't have to use exactly. You can add less or more. Some cooking oil. Let us start with the slicing the onion, and we go from there. All right, we cut it very thinly, like this. Now we have to saute this onion, a little bit of oil, cooking oil. Not a little bit, just enough because we have 2 big onion. That's the reason that makes this food delicious is because of the onion. All right, we're going to saute this onion for maybe it takes about 7 or 8 minutes, whatever it takes to get, golden, real golden. It has to be, this case, it has to be real golden. All right, while this sauteing away, let's go back and start cutting our meats. All right, liver is very delicate parts of the organ, and it cooks very, very fast. So trying to do it very small cut, and it's going to cook very fast. Few minutes is enough. We're trying to make it a very thin slices, then make it a smaller pieces. And like these are too big, but the thin as this much, but we're cutting it the small pieces. Like this. So this is the last that goes for the be cooked. The first thing you have to do is going to be the heart. But anyway, I'm going to cut it all and make it ready for the time that we have to add to the onion. So next is our heart. I like to make it clean, my heart, because there is too much of fat around. So I'm going to take those off by cutting it like this. I don't need those fat, it's too much. So I'm trying to get as much as I can. I'll throw this away. Now it's much better to cut it. Now we're cutting them to smaller pieces. Here we go. Okay, this is ready. Now we take care of this. Now we take care of this kidney and have to cut like this. These are, I usually take these things out. Okay, I don't need these. The smaller pieces. Same thing here. All right, his cutting is done. Now we go back to our onion to see if it's getting ready to add the rest of the ingredients. Let's do that. Okay, our onion gets where we want it to be, golden brown, most of them. So it's a time to add, if you remember, you had 2 cloves of garlic. That's the time for garlic. And there you go. That's good enough. And now add our spices. Everything go at the same time. And also this is the time, if you're in favor of the pepper, hot pepper, like a Serrano, that's the time for it. I'm going to add that one also. Slice it and put it in there. There you go. All right, our meat, the first one, is going to be hard because it takes a little bit more time to be cooked than the rest of them. So we're going to add our lamb heart to our onion. All right, as I said, the heart, it takes a little bit time to be cooked, so probably you have to have it like around 10 minutes, and then we are going to add our lamb kidney, and after a few minutes, then I am going to add our raisin. Then the last part, not the least, is going to be liver, and after that, our tomato. Okay, up to now, it was on a high heat. So now you can reduce it a little bit and let it cook a little bit slower, so we have a time to cook it decently. Time for the kidney to be added. And while the kidney is sauteing and cooking, let's go and cut our tomato, and so we're going to be ready for the whole dish. All right, our tomato is going to be cut almost the same size of the rest of the ingredients. It's been about like 3-4 minutes after I put the kidney, and they're cooking very well. Now it's the time to add our raisin. It's about 2 more minutes or 3 more minutes. We should add our liver and tomato together and let it be there about like maybe 5 minutes total, and our food is ready. By the way, you have to look, if it's dry, you might add like a half a cup water and let it cook for just like 5-6 more minutes. Okay, it's getting close to the final step. There you go. Our liver goes there. Okay, before you just finish it, make sure you taste. If it needs a little bit salt, to add it. If it's not, you can add it later on, each person in their taste. All right. There it goes. Our tomato goes there too. So this tomato should, just give it a little bit juice out, and it's gonna make the dish. If it's not, as I said, just add just half a cup or a quarter of cup water and put the lid, let them cook together, so to get the better result. All right, I'm gonna add about like a half a cup water and put the lid on it, and I just let it cook for 5 minutes. That's, I think it's gonna be perfect that way. Let's do that and come back and see the result, and I'm just gonna be done, and I'm just gonna serve it. See you then. All right, I think it's the time and it's ready if you look at it. So I'm gonna serve it right now. Okay. All right, here's our food. Jaghoor Baghoor is ready. Usually we eat it with the bread. So I put some breads here. It's gonna be your choice of bread. I have a pita, a whole wheat pita. I have a baguette. I have a lavash, whole wheat lavash. I have sangak. So whatever bread you like, you can eat it with. So we also use, you can use some of this lemon juice, lime juice, pickled cucumber, pickled onion, pickled veggie. So you can eat it like a sandwich, as I said, or just scoop the bread and I just eat it like, you know, scooping it with the bread. So it's totally is up to you. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I really appreciate your support and enjoying your comment. Till next time with the new dish. Bye.